Are you ready to learn about sea animals? Let's go! Shark. Here's the shark. Sharks swim very fast. Hello, shark. Blue whale. It's a blue whale. It's huge. Hello, blue whale. Sea turtle. Here's a sea turtle. Hello, sea turtle. Seal. It's a seal. Seals are so much fun. Hello, seal. Dolphins. Here are the dolphins. They are playful and smart. Hello, dolphins. Jellyfish. It's a jellyfish. It looks like jelly. Wow! Seahorse. It's a seahorse. It's very small and slow. Eel. It's an eel. It's a long, slippery fish. Octopus. It's an octopus. It has many arms. Hello, octopus. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel.